In this video, we will be looking at AWS Events and Webinars, so let's get started. We'll start from the AWS Events and Webinars section of the AWS website. We will then move on to look at the AWS reInvent series and then take a look at the AWS Global Summit series and Awesome Days. We will then consider AWS user groups and conclude by looking at the AWS webinar program. The AWS Events and Webinars section provides a summary of recently conducted and future planned events. Events cover a broad range of topics from AWS product-focused events such as Amazon S3 to events with a public sector or startup focus. AWS reInvent is the largest of AWS's events and usually takes place in October each year. The event spans several days and consists of technical and business tracks. reInvent has the objective of imparting the knowledge and skills to help participants refine their cloud strategy, improve developer productivity, increase application performance, and reduce infrastructure costs. If we cannot make reInvent each year, then the next best thing is to attend one of the Global Summit series run in a number of cities around the world. The Global Summit series is also an annual event and has a similar format to that of reInvent, but it is generally restricted to 1 or 2 days, with the first day restricted to AWS partners. The name Awesome Day is a play on words for a free, one-day training event ideally suited to developers, system administrators, and IT professionals who are eager to learn more about the cloud and also get training on the AWS platform. A number of cities around the world have a healthy user group community, meet to network, discuss ideas, and present and share knowledge on all things AWS. And finally, we have the official AWS webinar program. Here we can see future webinar schedules as well as recently delivered webinars from locations around the globe. The webinar program lives under the architecture section of the AWS website.